मैम सर दिस साइड ओनली। क्या करें सर? थोड़ा मेरे को इधर सर आ रहे हैं करना थोड़ा ऐसा जाने इधर से कर। अरे
That's been quite a kitchen food evening today. What do you have to say? Experiencing the new culinary experience which we all going to be getting.
I have a Kuche kitchen already, which you see in my YouTube vlog. But I think it's always nice to upgrade, and they're coming out with some fantastic new designs. And I'm I love spending time in the kitchen, and I love home decor and all sorts of things. So खाना तो बनता है.
So when it comes to decor, personally, what sort of setup you like? I mean, we just saw there's a vintage collection also, which is
So we are doing the vintage collection in the kitchen now. You'll see it, I think, as my channel grows. But the rest of my house is pretty modern. But I thought it's nice to have the kitchen little and the vintage is also in style right now, so it's actually modern.
when you have the Farah Jay here today. What do you have to say?
First of all, thanks to her. Secondly, so stainless steel kitchens in vintage collection highlighted and showcased with Farah ma'am. That was the best
I
thing.
think the best thing about that is that the front is vintage, and when you open it, it's really like new age. Stainless steel, no weed or no cockroaches, no wood rotting, no, the usual things that Indian kitchens suffer from.
So when we met Farah ma'am, she had only one thing in mind: wear and tear, durability and hygiene. I have to have that thing in my kitchen because she was very clear about hygiene and she wanted something that can be used by the maid. As you see, Dilip continuously banging the doors and hanging on to things. Still the kitchen is not damaged just because it's Kusha 7 stainless steel kitchen. And that too we are upgrading it with a vintage look, one of its kind in the world right now. That would be showcased in the initial days with Farah ma'am.
So when do we get to see that?
As soon as they're ready, I'm training them how to do it faster.
Yes.
And definitely you will see it, I think, by next month
When the lip gets back.
in the vlog when they get back from the गाँव. Okay, bye.
Alright.
मैम एक जाते जाते एक सवाल है कि आपके फैंस बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहा है कि मैं हूं ना कि जिस तरह सोशल मीडिया पर चल रहा है, कब तक शाहरुख के साथ आप काम करते हुए दिखेंगे?
अरे मैं भी बहुत क्या बोला आपने?
बेचैन
मैं भी बहुत बेताब.
तो आपको जब पिक्चर सिटी में होगा तो क्या किचन सेटअप लगेगा आपके पिक्चर में? कहीं ना कहीं सर का किचन सेटअप किचन का कुछ
किचन में इतने फेमस है तो कहीं ना कहीं किचन तो डिमांड आएगा ही.
घर का सीन होगा, किचन लगेगा, बट थोड़ा वियर्ड क्वेश्चन.
शी इज द डायरेक्टर बाय सेल्फ स्क्रिप्ट पे डाल सकते हैं.
इस कंपनी का थैंक यू.
बॉलीवुड में मतलब किसके घर पे? अरे सबके, मैं जब जाती हूँ, पीपल हैव लवली किचन एंड एवरी किचन इज यूनिक टू दैट पर्सन पर्सनैलिटी. कुछ लोग बहुत खाना बनाते हैं, कुछ लोग नहीं बनाते हैं, तो सबका किचन आई थिंक इज द हार्ट ऑफ द हाउस.
अभी एक दुखद खबर आई अनिल कपूर की मम्मी की.
आज आई हैव टू गो देयर एक्चुअली नाउ. गुड रिमाइंडिंग मी. आई जस्ट गॉट द न्यूज़.
What was the journey which kind of
Simple as that. Every home should be having an hygienic, durable and eco-friendly subject, and kitchen is the heart of home where hygiene is very much required. When you call upon the wooden kitchens, this mindset has come to me. When seeing a wooden kitchen and the kind of disturbance happening in wooden kitchens, Mumbai or India basically we can say, having too many coastal areas. So the termites is a major issue. Health is a major issue with the kitchen that we are having our utensils, having all insects and pesticides. So the same thing which a commercial restaurant or 5-star hotel having a kitchen, stainless steel. Wear and tear, durability, hygiene is required there. Same way things have been incorporated by us so that the residential kitchen can be used in stainless steel with the same look and feel that they want. So this is all the subject getting convinced with the product.
today you spoke about vintage, the vintage kitchen.
Vintage.
That's a very, very interesting term. Tell us about it.
So as we are selling stainless steel kitchens, we have 23 stores across India. So there was a huge requirement that we don't want a flat thing. We need the thing which the wooden can do. There's a colonial and a vintage look can be developed. So this has taken us 2 years of innovation and R&D to develop the vintage finish. And that vintage finish is now capturing the 30% of the business for us.
What are the future plans? Where do we travel in India? How many more stores?
So future plan is basically we are the first only Indian brand to get its footsteps in international market. So we have our Dubai store coming up. We have our own store coming up in Milan. These are the kind of basic future plans that we have. In India, we are there with 23 outlets and one of its kind everywhere. And we are having 10 more in pipeline. That's the only plan for India. But international, taking a brand which can be a statement for the Indian manufacturers as an international player. So we are the manufacturer, Pusher 7. We are the brand Pusher 7. And we are going international very soon. That's the future.
What is the message for the audience who are looking at transforming their kitchens
For the audience and for the people, whoever wants to have a kitchen with hygiene, with the durability, and let their mate bang it day and night, please come and visit Pusher 7. Across India, we have every city available with Pusher 7.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.